Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking earbuds. It's done by a company called Soundpeats, and this is their latest model called T2. Yes, it's Bluetooth 5.0. Again, it has some really cool bass to it and more. So we will cover everything in this video. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here you go. This is how it really looks. It has a lot of pictures around it, and it has some detailed information on one side of it. But once we slowly take everything apart and we take the slider out, then we open the box itself. Everything is sitting nicely inside, and once we take everything out one by one, here are all the components that are part of this box. It comes with this user manual, which you can see it has a few different languages, and then going through the first one, which is English, it tells you exactly how you can pair it, and also it has some button controls. It speaks about that, some question answers, and also when you're charging it, what you should be looking for. And in the back, you just have some manufacturer information. Now it also comes with this little box. Inside of it, you will find your charging cable, and it is USB Type-C on one connection and USB 2.0 on the other end, so that we can charge your docking station with this. We will show that in a few seconds. It also comes with some extra ear tips. So you can see that it is really nicely designed going around. It has the hinges really nicely done too. And if you go on the top part, you will see the name. See that it is printed really nicely. And then when you go to the bottom part, is the writings are all written. And now when you go to the front part, you have these three little indicators. So once you want to see exactly how much charge it has, in this case we do have the charge, and that's how you will be able to check it out. Now when you want to charge it, there's a little part that you can connect your wire. This is USB Type-C, so that way this docking station will be charged very quickly. Now when you open the little docking station, on the top you can see that it's really nicely designed. Again, it has those two little connectors, so that way when you put your earbud inside of this, it will get charged very quickly. And it does have little markings for left and right, and this is really designed nicely. But when you close it, you can hear the snap. That means it's not going to open easily. Now the earbuds are designed really nicely too. You can see the parts that goes inside of your ear, and then this part, it has a little sticker for very first time. When you get it, you have to take it off. There you go. And that means is now you will be able to place this on a charge. So you do have those two connectors, and also there's a little marking that will tell you this is for the left ear. Now going around, there's nothing much around it except this part. This is the mic. And then when you go to the front part, you have their logo really nicely written, and then you have this little LED indicator. Once you put it on the pairing mode, it will start blinking for you. And the touch part, so when you tap it a few times, you can pause the song or play, and also take calls and hang up. This is the touch part that will really make that work. It goes same way for the right ear. Now when you look at it, it's designed really nicely. Again, this part you gotta take off, and you can see this part says right, it says R, and then you have the connector, so that we get charged. And this is the part that will go inside of your ear. Now there is extra little tips just in case if you need a bigger one or smaller one. They already supply that inside of the box. And going around, you can see this part has the mic and then the LED indicator right on the top. So let's get everything together and show you exactly how that part happens. Now here's the docking station. Once you open it, you will be able to place your earbuds nicely inside. And if it is not right, it's not going to go in. But once you put it inside, you have to just flip it a little bit. It just goes inside, and that's it. Now when you close it, you can see it just fits properly. Now once you open it back and you take one of them off, so in order to get it charged, you need to grab your wire. And in this case, I have an extra wire. We're going to put it at the back, and now it starts charging, and you can see that it is blinking. That means it is accepting the charge and we're going to give it a couple of minutes, and then we're going to start testing it. So here you go, we're going to pair this headphones, we just charged it for a few minutes, to the phone that I have. So this is UMIDIGI A7. So from the top, when you scroll down, you have to select your Bluetooth. You have to select that you can pair new ones. Now it goes through to find your earbuds, but you can see that the top is closed. So once you open it, now it makes it unable for it to get paired. So it should show the name, which is going to have to come up as Soundpeats. And there you go, it shows up on the top. You have to select it. It says Soundpeats T2 is the model. And now it says waiting for pair. I really like that little breathing sign that they have. And then you're going to say allow and pair. So this way it gets paired. And there you go, now it is connected. So now we can take, and you can see that the battery is 100%. Beautiful. Now we can take the earbuds off. So let's just take one of them out, and then we're going to test them to see exactly how good it will play. So there are little things that I have to mention. You have to hold the left one in order for us to play and pause the song. If you go with the right ear, it is good for you to play with your phone connections, like hanging up the phone or picking up the phone. But the left one is the one that you have to tap twice, and in this way it will stop there. There it goes. So now it is full screen. So if we press it twice, it pauses, and if you press it again twice, it should play. So that's how easy it is to play with this earbuds. Now that's not the only thing. If you hold it for a few seconds, then you can bring the volume down. Hold it for a little bit longer. With the right one, it will bring the volume up for you. So those are the little things that I have to mention. Now, since I don't have the right ones on hand, I have to press it this way. But very, very simple to play with this earbuds. It's really nice how they have placed everything together. So now we're going to test on how good the sound quality will be when you are trying to talk on the earbuds, when you're walking, or when you're just trying to record your voice using something like this. So here you go. Now this is using the actual earbuds, the one that I'm wearing right now, and this is how loud it can get your voice across. So this way it sounds like you are in a room. Now I have both of the earbuds in my ear, and while I'm talking, I do not know if it's going to pick up from the left side or from the right, but again, it is all done properly. So now we can stop, and then we can just see exactly how clear it was. Now this sound, I'm just going to play it properly. Now this T2 gives you roughly about 30 hours of non-stop listening to music. That's what they advertise. We got roughly about 9 hours out of it. One more thing, that the docking station itself can charge 2 more times. So this way you can get more out of it. One more thing, that the docking station itself have a huge battery in it, which can charge twice. That's not the only thing, but when you're charging it, you roughly have to leave it alone for 4 hours. So this way it can get recharged. Now every time that you take it off and put it back in, you will give you roughly about 10 hours each year, so that we can recharge it. When it comes to bass, it has a proper bass. It also has some sound cancellation around you. If you're really good, if you want to sit somewhere, relax, and want to listen to some music with really good bass, this will do the job for you. For me, in the bass wise itself, if I have to give it a number out of 100, I would say this is good 65 to 67% for me. All the links will be available in the bottom. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.